Commit and rollback. So far, we've learned how to insert, update, and delete data. There's a concept that goes along with making changes to data, and that is committing data. When we are running queries on a database, Oracle does this for us inside a transaction. This means that it has the ability to treat your changes as a single unit of work, so it can save it all at once, or undo it if necessary. It's kind of like working on a Word document. You open a saved copy and make changes. You can then save your changes, which makes them permanent, or you can close them without making changes. Oracle has similar functionality. I won't go into too much detail on transactions and this functionality, but it's relevant now because if you exit SQL Developer, it will ask you if you want to commit changes. It's also good if you make a mistake and you want to undo it. To save your changes in Oracle, you commit them. It saves all the changes that you've made to the database since your last commit, or when you logged on to the database. Also, if you want other users to see these changes, you'll need to commit them. You can commit your data by running a commit statement. There's no parameters or clauses, it's just the word commit with a semicolon. If you don't want to save your changes, you can undo them. You do this by rolling them back. You use a rollback command. This is similar to save without closing in other programs. SQL Developer will also give you this option if you exit the program. It's helpful for undoing a delete statement that you ran by accident. The insert, update, and delete statements can all be rolled back by using the rollback command, or saved using commit. The select statement does not make any changes, so you don't need to commit or roll back. Let's have a look at an example of this. We'll start a new window here. Let's say we insert a new record into the products table. Let's insert into this table here. Now let's select from the product table. You can see we have our new product at the bottom of the list here. Now we want to commit that. To commit it, we run the commit keyword here. It will say commit complete. The data is now committed. If we exit and come back another time, it will still be there. Now let's insert a different record into the product table. If we insert this record, it will say one row inserted. Let's select from our product table. We can see that the new product is there. Now let's run a rollback command which will roll back any changes that we've made. It will say rollback complete. Now if we select from our table, it will have the large table in there, but not the red chair. The insert of the red chair has been removed. But the large table insert has been kept because that happened before we ran the commit statement. So that's how you can run a commit and rollback command, and that's what happens when you choose to commit or rollback if you leave SQL Developer.